Come test drive this 2012 Volkswagen Jetta. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Volkswagen are offered, including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, turn signal indicator mirrors, and air conditioning. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.